The UPSC Civil Services Examination, commonly known as the UPSE CSE, is one of the toughest competitive exams in India. The success ratio for the UPSC IS is less. Still, it attracts a huge number of applications. The reason being the prestige which the civil service job carries. As per estimates, close to 10 lakh aspirants apply for the civil service exam every year. The vacancies, on the other hand, are less than 1,000. To get through the cutthroat competition and cross the finishing line with flying colors, aspirants must refer to the best study material. In this video by Careers 360, we will be sharing the detailed list of books for the UPSC Civil Services exam. This video is going to be very beneficial for beginners and will help them in drawing their IAS study plan. The books and study materials mentioned in this video are as per the feedback received from the toppers, experts from the coaching institutions, and candidates who are currently preparing. Hence, candidates must watch the complete video till the end. We have divided the list of books in three categories: basic level, expert level, as well as supplementary level. In the basic level, one can refer to the NCERT books from class 6 to 12. These books are mentioned on your screen. Once the candidates are well versed with the basics and they get an idea about the overall subjects, then they need to move to the next level of preparation. And what better way than to start with Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. This book is also known as the Bible among the UPSC civil service aspirants. Along with Indian Polity, candidates can also refer to the following books that are mentioned to prepare for the exam. By this time, after having studied the above books, candidates must have got the full grasp of the complete syllabus of the UPSC Civil Services exam, and they must also back their preparation by referring to supplementary books and study materials. These study materials are an add-on and will help the aspirants during the exam. Some of the study materials which the candidates must refer to are: in the newspapers, they must read The Hindu, Indian Express, any Hindi national daily. For current affairs, they must refer to Yojana, Lucent, Kurukshetra, Vision IS Current Affair Notes, IS Baba Current Affairs Notes, Daily Insights. For essays, they can refer to 151 selected essays by Arihant. One of the best options for supplementary level studies is the initiative by 2019 batch civil service toppers named as UPSC CSE Demystified. Aspirants can Google it to find more information about this great initiative. With these books, candidates will be very well versed with the preliminary and the mains exam. But in the mains exam, there is also the optional subject. The books and notes for the optional paper are easily available in the market or on the web. However, candidates can also refer to the IGNOU study materials for the same. Just get in touch with someone who has earlier enrolled with the IGNOU for political science, anthropology, public administration, economics, history, sociology, or psychology and borrow their books. These are some of the most common optional subjects which many candidates opt for. If your optional paper is other than these, then you will have to purchase the books from the market. We hope you find this video useful, and we also wish that it helps you in kickstarting your UPSC CSE preparations. Wishing you all the best for your studies.